Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a demo and review of the Mermaid Scale Bath Bomb from Bird Bath & Body. This bath bomb is scented in Mermaid Kisses, which is a fragrance that is described as starting off with top notes of ocean mist, sea moss and dewy cyclamen petals, followed by middle notes of geranium flower, water mint and coriander seed, sitting on base notes of white cedarwood and earthy vetiver. Definitely a very mermaid-like kind of scent. Now Bird Bath & Body do still do this bath bomb, but instead of being fragranced with Mermaid Kisses, it's now fragranced with coconut and lime, and rather than being a round circle-shaped bath bomb, it's in more of a shell-shaped kind of bath bomb, but still with those gorgeous mermaid scales on the front, and is still this gorgeous blue kind of teal color. If you guys were wanting to check out Bird Bath & Body for yourselves, I do have a link to their website down below, and if you use my code SPIRITUAL15, you will receive a cheeky 15% discount. And please keep in mind that Bird Bath & Body will ship to the US and to New Zealand, as well as within Australia. So anyway guys, I hope that you enjoy my mermaid demo content all of this week, and I hope that you're looking forward to more themed weeks like this in the future, leading up to Mother's Day, where I will be doing some Mother's Day type of content. And if you're enjoying my content in general, but you have not subscribed, please consider doing so, as well as clicking the little bell icon next to the subscribe button to be notified every single time that I upload a brand new video. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to click the like button and let me know in the comments down below what you'd like to see on my channel next. Thank you all so very much for watching, and until next time, bye bye!